It's vacation time. What are you going to bring with you that you absolutely must have from Plants at Palm Creations? First and foremost, we all need to have our beautiful hair in check when we go on vacation. And sometimes the weather can be totally different than where we live, and it can wreak havoc on our hair. When I go to the beach or the pool or the lake, I always make sure I got my mermaid spray and my mermaid spray. I have two different sizes you can buy from, my 4-ounce or my 8-ounce Hannah Hair mermaid spray. It's great for detangling, nourishing, conditioning, and it even removes cradle cap and dandruff, and it helps with hair growth. So you need to have one of these on vacation, because when you get out of the pool, sometimes you don't have time to wash your hair all the time, to go out to dinner. You just spritz, 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 comb through, and you have beautiful hair. Another must-have vacation item from Plants at Palm Creations that I think you should bring with you is my Lice Away spray. My Later Lice spray is made with essential oils that helps repel and remove head lice. And nobody wants head lice when they're on vacation. This is also great for kids when they're doing gymnastics or sports or sleepovers or just going to school or just being alive. Kids get head lice, so you need to grab my Lice Away plant-based handmade spray. Another must-have spray on vacation is my tick and mosquito repellent spray. I add essential oils in it that help repel deer ticks and mosquitoes. So this is great in any part of the country. Comes in this handy dandy 4-ounce bottle, so that you can carry this one in your pocket when you go on a hike, when you're walking your dog, when you go to soccer practice or football practice with your kids. Spray your kids with it. Keep those deer ticks and mosquitoes away from you with my tick and mosquito repellent spray. Two rollers that you absolutely should carry with you at all times, not just vacation, but everywhere, is my Happy Head roller and my seasonal allergy roller. My seasonal allergy roller, great for seasonal allergies, especially now, going into the spring, summer, and fall, pretty much 6, 7, 8 months out of the year, seasonal allergies. You roll it on your forehead, start using it before seasonal allergies hit so that your body kind of gets used to it, and then it helps relieve issues with any kind of seasonal allergies. My Happy Head roller, just what it says. You want a happy head, get my Happy Head roller. It's a great roller for when you have a headache or a tension headache or just stress. You just roll it on your forehead and there you have it. It's made with essential oils that help relieve head pain.